Hello everybody, my name is Max, welcome back in another video. In this video we're gonna be unboxing this 10 kilograms package from CNFans. So let's see what's exactly in this package. I'm so excited, let's unpack this. So this is how the package presents. As you can tell, this one is quite a big one. 9.3 kilograms is a lot. Okay, so let's get started with this big boy. Let's see what's in it. This package got shipped to me via the DHL. I paid like $200 for that to get shipped, and it took a bit of long time because the DHL, by the time I purchased that, had some troubles, customs delays. A lot of their customers went on a holiday, so that's why the package took a bit longer to get shipped to me. But it all was safe, so yeah, it got safely delivered to me. It did not get seized or anything. And also, if you purchase the packages on CNFans, you get a free insurance, so you're secured. Alright, and here we have it, people. So yeah, we've got quite a big of packages here to get unboxed. First of all, we've got some Adidas shoes. Let's see what's in it. So yeah, as you can tell, these ones are the Gazelle Indoor in the size 38.5, 7 US. Let's see how they look like. Oh wow, people, I absolutely love them. Take a look at these beautiful shoes. They look absolutely amazing. I absolutely love how they look like. As you can see on the back, you get this beautiful type of the finish, the white finish. This one is the suede going across this whole shoe. This one is also a pretty interesting material. Also the cotton laces, the shoelaces, so they're very nice and very soft in touch. I love it. Inside is how they present. They look quite nice, and you also get the size in here and everything, so that's just looking amazing. Same thing applies for the left shoe. Everything looks great. Obviously, for all of the products, you have the links down in the description as well as in the pinned comment section, so you will not miss out on anything. You can get everything I ordered here. Next up here, we've got some beautiful Birkenstock shoes. So these ones are the Boston and the taupe color, which is a very popular one. I ordered a couple of them in the past and they were amazing, so I did also order the next pair. As you can tell, it says Birkenstock here on the clip. Everything looks amazing. I love the color, I love the sole. Everything is just very comfortable and very nice. The materials are also superb. I love the suede here going across the whole shoe. It all looks just as it should. The sole itself is also looking great. And same thing applies for the left one, and also you've got some humidity pouches in here, so you won't get any mold on the shoes or anything. Everything looks just amazing. I absolutely love these shoes, highly recommend it. Continuing, here we've got another Adidas shoes. So this haul is more of an Adidas haul. Got loads of different Adidas shoes in here. As you can tell, these ones are the Gazelle Indoor in a sea white color in the size 6.5 US, 49 1/3 European. And these ones are absolutely amazing. Look at them. Just take a look at the shoes. I absolutely love how they look like. They are in a beautiful turquoise and cream white color. Absolutely beautiful. I would say like these ones are one of the best color combinations that I ever seen on Adidas shoes. They're absolutely great. And the sole itself also looks great. I absolutely love that. Continuing, people, here we have something else, something different. Yeah, so this one is the Nike Pro Thermafit hood. You probably see a lot of these in the UK or in some other bigger European cities. A lot of black people tend to wear them, as you can see here in the picture. So yeah, the box looks absolutely nice, just one-to-one with the regular Nike ones. And let's see how it all looks like. So yeah, this is how the Nike Pro hood looks like. It's a bit dirty here, so it's not the best, but yeah, honestly, I think you can just easily wash it. And here we've got the Nike logo as well, so it's all nice. Let's maybe try this thing on. So guys, this is how it all looks like. As you can tell, this Nike hood looks quite nice. Next up, continuing, here we've got another Adidas shoe. This time here we have the Gazelle Indoor as well, but different color. Green color, as you can tell, this, yeah, nice, beautiful, dark green, bottle green color. I absolutely love that color as well. It all looks nice. It's very soft in touch, and you know, you've got this type of the suede one material, which is nice in touch. I really like this material in touch. Yeah, it all just presents very nicely. You've got this beautiful golden Gazelle text over here on the side, and then on the back you've got yourself this Adidas logo. It also says Adidas here on the tongue, and to these shoes you've got also the spare white shoelaces. Continuing, here we also have the Adidas. As you can tell, we've got some Adidas Special also. And yeah, this one is a beautiful white baby blue color. I absolutely love this color. You've got the combination of this darker sole here. And this beautiful baby blue type of a color shoe with the white stripes here. And here on the tongue it also says Adidas Handball Special in this beautiful golden stitching. I absolutely love the shoes as well. And the left one looks like this. It also is nice, also looks good. And next up, continuing, here we have the Birkenstocks. So yeah, these Birkenstocks, as you can tell, got a bit damaged, the box. Not very nice, but you know it is what it is when you just ship the products all the way from China. And yeah, in here we've got the Birkenstock in a bit different color, but yeah, everything looks the same, although this one is a bit damaged here. So yeah, and also here, not very nice in this case. But yeah, the shoe looks absolutely nice, I love that. It says Birkenstock in here on a clip, and also the materials are the same as on the previous ones. This suede material leather is just absolutely gorgeous, I love that. They're definitely worth it. These shoes are in size 38.5. Oh, sorry, this one is a 38. So yeah, the size 38. And yeah, you've got yourself some, in this case, the English labels. Says soft footbed. And one thing I have to say about the shoes is that they do not smell bad. They smell actually really good. They have some fragrances in them or whatever. I actually enjoy the smell. So yes, continuing, here we also have another Adidas box. And let's discuss what's inside of them. So yes, this time in this box we have the Adidas Special in this beautiful brown color. This one is the best seller, obviously, for many countries. I love this combination of the shoe. You know, it never goes wrong when you have a beautiful Adidas in a brown color with some creamy white additional elements. It all looks just classy and beautiful. So yeah, you've got the shoes here as well. Absolutely love them. And you obviously have the spare shoelaces, this time in the color brown. The last Birkenstocks, these ones are the 39 Boston BS top as well. I literally just purchased like a couple of them because, you know, these ones are just nice. And I purchased them for my family, of course, because, you know, many people in my family love them. So yes, just like last time, everything looks great. And they smell amazing. Okay, and here we have the last Adidas box. Let's see what's in this box. So this one is the Adidas Special, but in this unusual red color. As you can tell, it also looks just amazing, as good as the previous ones. Material is also nice. It also tells you the size in here. It's the size US 7 and everything looks just great. The shoes are not dirty, they do not have any scuffs or damage, so yeah, you can definitely call it a winner. This is how the right one looks like. It also looks just great. In here we also have the Nike ThermaFit gloves. Let's take a look at them, let's see how they look like. So yes, as you can tell, the Nike Therma gloves. It says the Nike Academy Football Soccer ThermaFit Move to Zero, everything what you see in the store basically. And you've got yourself some beautiful, very grippy gloves for winter or colder evenings or whenever you want to wear them basically. I've got them in size L, but you can also get them in size XL or XXL. So yeah, they're amazing. Okay, and this one is a bit unusual. I've never actually ordered anything like this on the CNFans. So in here we've got the Bleu de Chanel Paris fragrance. This is how it all presents. As you can tell, it all looks nice and beautiful. Okay, so I've got to tell you that this box is looking very, very nice, one-to-one basically. And let's maybe open this thing up. So yeah, the box itself is black inside, so it all looks just pretty good. So it's like the two-layer type of a box. And yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. As you can see, it all looks just nice. It's all black with this bluish type of finish. Maybe let's open them up and let's try spraying them. Oh yeah, they smell very nice, very masculine and very beautiful. I can definitely tell you that this fragrance really smells one-to-one. It's just beautiful. Okay guys, and the last item here in the box. In here we've got a Broken Planet sweater. Let's take a look at this. Let's see how it all looks like and fits. So yeah, this one is a bit big. I don't know what's the size of it, but yeah, it's quite a big one. Let's maybe try this thing on. Let's see how it all looks like. I really like the design. It all looks beautiful and nice. So you've got the Broken Planet here saying, and here on the back it also says Broken Planet. And yeah, the size is large, the L. I love the materials. It's 100% cotton. It's not like a cheap plasticky feel. It's a very nice sweater. It's the 100% cotton, organic cotton, as you can tell. On the stitching, it all looks just beautiful. Beautiful sweater. So this is how the Broken Planet sweater looks on me. As you can see, it's large and I'm not a big person, so it's a bit oversized for me, but other than that, I'm really surprised with the quality. It's really like 100% cotton, I love that. And also the design is also very nice. I absolutely love the design. So yeah, if you want such a Broken Planet sweater, you have the link down in the description. Okay people, so that would be it as for the 10 kilogram, almost 10 kilogram haul on CNFans. As you can see, we have purchased a lot of different shoes, a lot of different items. A very nice sweater, and I love those Therma hood and gloves as well, and also the perfume. The Bleu de Chanel is also very nice. I love the smell of it. It smells fantastic. If you want to have access to all those items, you have the link down in the description and you can literally just purchase everything you want there. Prices are amazing, and yeah, if you haven't signed up to the CNFans yet, please do so. You have some special coupons and offers if you sign up with my link in bio, and thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!